Hi all, myself Ravikiran Indragandri and my team members are Raghavendra Lankapotu and Ashok Talari and we are from Evonsys. So we have developed a Pega application demonstrating the inclusion of industry standard Accord data and XML model. Accord has defined industry standard data and XML models for some of the domains like life insurance and PNC, etc. So embedding them in our Pega application will help us in increasing the usage scope of the application as well as decreases the waiting time to consume the APIs to develop the application. As we have standard APIs developed which are already ready to use. So it has Accord has defined certain entities like person, phone, address. So the snapshot of the Accord data model was presented in the PPT shared along with this application. So the same has been developed in Pega. So we have used internal Pega data tables in order to depict the data model that was that was standardized by Accord. So, so for address, this is the data table which we have created. So for phone number, sorry, for phone, this is the data table, and for person, this is the data table. So the use case which you have taken to demonstrate the Accord data model is like enrollment use case. So when a customer is interested in taking a policy, he will be triggering this case and he will be on the first screen of the case, he will be providing the personal information. So now I have filled in all the personal information along with his address and phone details along with the medical information. Based upon the combination that we select on this screen, the jurisdiction where he lives and the medical information and on all these input parameters along with the type of plan that customer is interested in. So for example, if I so a customer after entering his personal information, he can select investment type of plan, family life insurance plan or retirement plan. So based upon this, the inputs that user has given on these first two screens, so he will be presented with the relevant policy details. So whatever the data, so if you go back to the first screen, whatever the data that he has entered on the first screen, on submission of it, so on submission of the screen, we are saving the data into these three tables which are built based upon the Accord data model standard. So the data after submitting the first screen will reside in these three tables. So in this way we are using the Accord data model concept. Now coming to the Accord Web XML standards. So once he keys in all the fields on the first screen and enters the type of plan he is interested in on the second screen. Based upon this combination, we are hitting a we have built-in SOAP services using Accord standard that was defined. Uh, so once he clicks on continue, so we are pulling the I mean that is relevant to the user based upon the details that he have entered in the first two screens. So this information, so for this we have built SOAP services which will abide by the XML standards provided by Accord. So here user can choose the policy. So based upon the policy, so what are all the coverages and benefits? We are pulling out the coverages and benefits related to the policy. So for this also we have exposed the SOAP service and we have followed the standards of Accord data model. Similarly, for pulling out the premium information on the fifth screen, we are passing the policy details that the user has selected on the screen and we are pulling out the premium information by exposing a SOAP service and we are consuming the SOAP service. The SOAP service is exposed in our application and it is consumed in this flow. So through connect tool. So with this particular SOAP services, all the three SOAP services which show policy information, coverage and benefits information, premium information. So they are generated abiding the Accord XML standards. So once after selecting the policy, user can go to the next screen wherein the policy related coverage and benefits are provided as an information to the user. So this is for just information purpose. There is nothing to select over on the screen. So as a part of the policy that user has selected, these are the benefits that he will be getting. These are the coverage and benefits that he will be getting. So after checking the screen, user can go to the next screen wherein so he can he'll be I mean this information we are all again this information we are getting it from through web soap service only, which was created uh, providing the record XML standards. So once he can select some life cover amount, and he can enter some age till what age he is interested to pay the premium. So based upon that, we are pulling out the monthly installments or annual installments. If he wants to pay the installment monthly, what is the income that he should uh, what is the amount that he should pay. So if it is quarterly, what is the amount he should pay. So for different terms, they are pulling out the amount through SOAP service. So this SOAP service also adheres the uh, Accord XML standard. It is compliant to Accord XML standard. So after selecting the mode of payment and age till what he is interested in subscribing the policy and the life cover amount, so user can continue to next screen, and whatever the information that he has filled in till now, he can see all the information in the review screen in read only mode. So after that, you can submit the screen and the case gets resolved completed. So the user will be successfully enrolled. So this is the application which was built in order to demonstrate the data model and embedding in order to demonstrate the inclusion of XML and data model standards provided by Accord. Thank you.